Okay, this is to help with homework question number 10. We have to find the area of the the area of the larger square is how many square inches greater than the area of the smaller square. So this is a weird question. So I have to do like the area of the big one, the large square, minus the area of the larger square is how many inches minus the area of smaller. Okay, so I think essentially what we're going to get is this shaded area. If you take the area of the larger minus the area of the smaller, that'll get the shaded area. Okay, so sorry for the poor handwriting. My thing is having a hard time writing currently. The area of the smaller square is pretty easy to tell. That's just x squared, x times x. The area of the larger is tricky. So it says that the larger square is c inches longer. So that means this little part is c inches longer than the other square. So basically this whole side and this whole side, they're the same thing in the square, are x plus the extra c that goes behind it. Right? So to find the area of this big square here, we have to do x plus c squared. Okay, and the best way to do that is to do x plus c times x plus c and then FOIL. So x times x, sorry, this would be kind of hard to see here, but, and then x times c, and the inside 2 would be another x times c. The last 2 would be c times c, so c squared. Okay, so then if this cleans up, we'd have x squared plus 2 x c's. You have one of them plus another one plus a c squared. Right, so that's the area of the larger thing. And then we just have to minus off the area of the smaller, which is just x squared. So when you minus that, these essentially cancel out then. And so you're left with 2xc plus c squared, right, which gives us answer choice J. All right, so just had to remember how to FOIL there. A little bit tricky, but hopefully that helps.